And this is what I've been telling to many Filipinos, especially those who are still in doubt. Sabi ko, guys, I've sold an ebook on how to memorize Bible verses. Think about it. How to memorize Bible verses. That should be like an aha moment for many. Prior to that, I've sold a collection of Bible verses. You should see there, by just telling me, articulating that story, that people doesn't simply want information. They want results. They want quicker results. Why would someone buy collection of Bible verses? May Bible naman sila. You go to a hotel, be Bible. There are so many Christian organizations, they give away Bible for free. Why would they buy my collection of Bible verses for $70? Because it saves them time. Period. Kaya nga lagi sinasabi, may Google na, may YouTube na, wala nang bibili dyan. Well, you don't know what you don't know. Whenever may mga magbabash po sa atin, or hindi naman necessary magbabash, sabihin na natin skeptics. They're not necessarily bad, wrong, or evil. Okay? Pero naturally, may skepticism ang tao, especially when they see my ad. Because they don't know me. Right? And probably you had those experiences too. Right? Sino po ba dyan? When you first saw my ad, sino naman tong scammer na to? It's another MLM na naman tong network marketing na naman to, may i-scamin na naman ito. Tama po ba? Can you type amen? For some of you who somehow felt that. Which is, I don't blame you. Right? I don't blame you because you watch the news, there will always be this story, they were scammed. And again, I do not blame you. I do not disagree with people. So my job then is to prove to you that I'm genuinely would like to help you. So that is through marketing and selling, and that is also the same strategy that I teach you here inside IBMC. How can you convert someone, a cold market, someone who doesn't know you, someone don't think that you're an expert, you're not popular, you're nobody, ordinary person, how can you convert them into a customer? At yun po yung tinuturo ko sa inyo sa marketing and selling. That is why do not underestimate what I've been teaching you. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.